Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to do a review on these magnetic lashes that I got online. If you watched any of my other videos, I am a strip lash junkie. I've tried lash extensions before, but I do prefer glue-on strip lashes. I use the brand Kiss. I did want to try these magnetic lashes because I've just seen so many things on Instagram and online about them, and I think the technology's gotten a little bit better. So I wanted to give them a go. I'm basically gonna leave the strip lash that I've had on all day on one of my eyes, and then I'm gonna remove that strip lash that I've had on, and I'm gonna put on the magnetic lash, and we're gonna put a blow dryer on the two, just do a little stay test, look test, see how it does. So let's get started. So I brought a just like little makeup remover. This is how I would take them off. I usually just get like a makeup remover cloth a little bit wet and then start like slowly taking them off. It just gets the adhesive a little moist. And then I would, do more makeup remover from there. So for the purposes of this video, I'm not gonna take off all my other makeup because that's just gonna become a huge mess. So when I got the package of the magnetic lashes, this is what it looked like. It came with 5 different like styles, and it also came with these magnetic tweezers, and this is the magnetic ones that you actually put the eyeliner on first, and then the eyeliner gives it the magnetic feel, and that's what the magnetic lashes stick to. So there's like a couple styles that I probably wouldn't wear. For the purposes of this video, I'm gonna do one that's most similar to the Kiss style that I'm wearing. And I brought a mirror because I know that when I do these screen shares on my camera, I cannot figure out like which way is left and which way is right. So just bear with me. So basically the instructions say to put on the eyeliner, let it dry for at least a full minute, and then go ahead and put on your lash. I did try these before this video just to see what it was like, and I did notice that you're gonna want to let the eyeliner dry longer than that because they did work pretty well. The only thing that I would say is that you should wait longer than a minute because it wasn't fully dry. So when I tried to move the lash, it pulled off the eyeliner, in which case you'd have to like start from square one, and that's just not gonna do it for me when I'm in a huge rush in the morning. So just comparing the two already, I like to get ready super fast, and I don't really wear eyeliner on my upper lid on a normal day. So having to do this would be an extra step. But I do like the fact that I don't have to get the glue on my eyelashes. So, there's that benefit as well. It does say, to shake the eyeliner bottle. I forgot to do that. Okay, let me do that. I barely put on a first coat. It does say to put on 2 to 3 coats. So let me shake this up, and I'm gonna do a better coat of this. So again, putting on 2 to 3 coats of this eyeliner versus just like slapping the strip lash on seems like a little bit more work to me. And especially since this is liquid, it's really not forgiving. I haven't seen one that is like a dry just pencil, but that might be kind of cool if you are afraid of using the liquid, because it is pretty challenging if you don't use it often to get a straight line that like tapers in the right way and makes your eye look good. I'm by no means like the best makeup person ever, but I feel like I have a pretty steady hand. Okay, so this is what the eyeliner looks like. I put it on pretty thin. I'm gonna just wait for this to dry for a minute. Keep in mind that, you know, my eyeshadow is a little bit jacked up on that side when we're doing the comparison. And also I'm just gonna comb out some of the glue out from my strip lash out of those lashes. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I just wanted to comb out the some of the leftover glue from my lashes out of my real lashes, and I did use a waterproof mascara today, which I absolutely hate. Like, it looks good, but then it just kind of looks clumpy and it's so hard to take off. I feel like it rips off my eyelashes even more than the eyelash glue. Like, I'm returning this mascara. So let me know what you guys think about that, because I don't really understand the benefit of waterproof mascara unless you're going to like a big event and you're just like, screw it, I don't care if it comes off, I just want to look good for right now. I'm gonna do one more coat because I did put on like a really, not only a thin layer, but just a thin strip. If you've tried any magnetic lashes that you liked or didn't like, definitely tell me below. Or if you liked them more or better than strip lashes, or you like magnetic lashes more, definitely let me know, because I know there's a lot of brands out there and this is just one. On the other hand, I've tried a ton of strip lash brands and glues and settled down on the one I like. So, you know, I'm using my favorite strip lash compared to just one magnetic lash, but they did have really good reviews online, and I will link the product below. They weren't too expensive and you can for sure reuse them. I reuse my, I'm just waiting for this to dry, but I reuse my strip lash every single day. So that's what that looks like. I just clean the glue off. I also, when this is fully dry, and again, I'm waiting a little bit more than a minute, I did not like these magnetic tweezers. I don't know why they come with magnetic tweezers, because, oh, I guess they stick to any tweezers that are metal. Okay, I think they should make a plastic tweezer, because I felt like I was trying to reposition the lash, but the lash was magnetized to the tweezer, and so therefore it was putting tension on the eyeliner and pulling it off. So I think it would be better if they used a plastic tweezer instead. So I think it's dry enough. I don't have any plastic tweezers on hand, so let me just grab the lash that I think is going to be best. I'm going to go with one of the longer ones. I guess the trick is not to grab the lash at the base, because that's where it's magnetic, and kind of just place it on there. So I'm going to place these exactly how I would my other lashes and start in the outer corner. So, oh gosh. So you want to get close to you guys so you can see. So I just tacked that outer corner, and now I'm going to try to move it in, and these are really wanting to stick to that mascara. So that wasn't bad. Really wasn't bad. Okay. It's on. What do you guys think? I'm gonna say just looking at the two, I do like this lash shape that it came with. It doesn't feel that heavy, but it definitely feels a little bit heavier, and I do feel like I can see kind of the divots from where the magnets are. but it feels like it has a lot of staying power. So overall, definitely think they're pretty equivalent as far as looks. These strip lashes feel way more comfortable. These magnetic lashes do feel a bit heavy, although I'm not a pro at getting them on, but they do feel like they're kind of just like heavy and they would annoy me. But again, I have so many years of experience putting strip lashes on that I don't know how fair of a comparison it is, but you know, overall, pretty easy to use for only my second time using them. I think they look really good. So let's do a blow dryer test. Okay guys, so the lighting's probably not the greatest over here, but my outlet was over here, so I just wanted to do a quick blow dryer test to see if these things stay on. So let's do this. Alright guys, so we just did the blow dryer. I feel like they both stayed on pretty well. I want to look in the mirror because it's hard for me to see right now on my screen sharing how it looks. So yeah, they both stayed on really well. If you like using eyeliner and you're comfortable with liquid liner and you don't like using glue, or maybe you're sensitive to glue, these definitely would be something to try. I can link these below, but I believe it was about $25 for the full set, and they're for sure reusable. It says they're waterproof, and I did put the blow dryer on high. They do feel really secure. Like when you go to place them, it feels like they're locked in, and when I did try to move them last time I put them on, they were pretty hard to move. So I would say just shake up the bottle before you put it on, let the eyeliner dry, and just test it out maybe before a night out, just so you can see like if you have a reaction to it, if it's comfortable, that type of thing. Just make sure you know how it works before you like commit to doing that, because if you start putting on this eyeliner and then it pulls off, you're gonna be left with a huge mess, and you're not gonna be a happy camper when your husband's rushing you out at the door. So I did like these. I don't know if I'll switch over. They still do feel really heavy to me compared to the strip lashes, and a bit uncomfortable. The other thing that I'll have to say, I was leaning towards maybe moving over to magnetics because I like the fact that there would be no glue, and even though I'm careful when removing my lashes, it does pull off lashes here and there just because the glue clumps up. So with the magnetics, I was hoping that wouldn't happen. However, the eyeliner, because it is waterproof, I think what it says on the package, is really hard to get off. So I was doing a lot of like rubbing on my eye, and lashes ended up coming off there. So pretty even review. Overall, I would say that I definitely would still prefer my strip lashes, and would recommend the magnetics for someone that has a lot of trouble with the glue, like not enough glue, too little glue, it being clumpy, or having bad placement. I think the magnetics are a little bit more forgivable, but you do have to be careful and be good at applying liquid liner. The magnetics would also be good, like I said, if you have allergies or sensitivities to the glue on the strip lashes. So I hope this review was helpful. If you liked this review of the magnetic lashes, definitely tell me below. Give me a like, follow my channel. I just do honest reviews, beauty tutorials, lifestyle topics, health, fitness, my trying to conceive journey. So I hope you join me on the next one, and we'll see you soon.